On behalf of the government of Sierra Leone and on behalf of the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources, I'm glad for Kande also for this support where UNDP can give in Sierra Leone, and especially to fisher women there for improve their livelihood and for support them in whatever they do so that they help be able for people who represent Sierra Leone. We want for the UNDP then take it. One person, two more for top. Okay, you catch one. Thank you very much.
Thank you. UNICEF for bringing me today the Ministry of Fisheries. We happy because we not talk we get so much because we go buy the fish, collect money able to come on the fish they boil. If then people here don't give it today this opportunity for can give it anything there as woman, let we go help ourselves, let we go help our family. For recover, let we market, let we business no spoil. We go say thank you to the government, say thank you UNDP, say thank you to the fishery people them. We appreciate and we gladly and we go hold them till they are fine how they go come out, how we go push yourself before. If we there to the minister they present them till they are on behalf of Tonko people there. Mama will tell you thank you, I will say thank you on behalf of Tonko Limba. We appreciate and we will see them till there the benefits what we do with them. Thank you.
I don't know some feed on banana on Kenya. I a freezer, I a solar. Some fisherman, come as Ben Pilo pass away, come and install the sack, must so for no losses because of the bash microcredit. Affiliates, scar by and get scar to get ceremony, government of Maranes, and you and I put a freezer, I put a solar, you be a muffin and you can't let back and government of Salon. Smooching out of Mombana, and you and the program today, the Anto and Salon. Smooching among embarrassed, you don't know Sundays, you know, non king, or one of us who are not half mabel. I'm Minister of Fisheries, so smooching among Bananga, so I'm there, smoking, maybe I have my gun container, I put a sign about Mamma and Afma Roman. I will put on. So some will make Masmara and Africa from Uncle School. If you mean you don't know, get into them old book. Some are so fino at your old Mokara or Fino. I had a Mocara so you go local. I had just that. Banatuno, some fisherman, or must pay a microcredit, the losses. To do it on a marfu, I do not order to not last in a time and I can so much in a way. I still talk about Bocoicolo, Bocoicolo, and Capulo, his Moleke, what trying to spend Cara window. And was sometimes somebody toying, Kabala toying, but Melisabeth knows it's no king. I'm not your master to not Friday afternoon.